BRC Packaging Issue 7 Documentation and Consultancy. Hello everyone, welcome to this session on BRC Packaging Issue 7 Documentation and Consultancy. In this video, we will discuss the key documentation requirements, including the quality manual, procedures, and internal audit checklist required for implementing the BRCGS Global Standard for Packaging Material Issue 7. This standard is widely recognized globally and is required by many food manufacturers and retailers to ensure that packaging materials are produced under controlled hygiene, safety, and quality management systems. This session is presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, providing professional certification and consultancy services. Overview of BRC Packaging Issue 7. The BRCGS Packaging Materials Standard Issue 7 is designed for manufacturers of food packaging, consumer product packaging, pharmaceutical packaging, disposable packaging materials. The standard focuses on product safety, quality management, hygiene control, traceability, risk management. The structure of the standard includes 6 major sections. First, senior management commitment. Second, hazard and risk management system. Third, product safety and quality management system. 4. Site standards. 5th, product and process control. 6th, personnel. BRC packaging documentation structure. To implement BRC packaging issue 7, companies must develop a comprehensive documentation system. Documentation hierarchy typically includes Level 1 Quality and Product Safety Manual. The manual describes how the organization complies with BRC requirements. Level 2 Procedures. These define the operational processes and responsibilities. Level 3 Work Instructions / SOPs. These provide step-by-step instructions for employees. Level 4 Records and Forms. These provide evidence of implementation and compliance. BRC Packaging Quality Manual. The BRC Packaging Quality Manual is a primary document describing the organization's product safety management system. Typical manual sections include company profile and scope, packaging material categories, organizational structure, product safety policy, document control system, risk management approach, HACCP or hazard analysis methodology, traceability and recall system. The manual should clearly demonstrate top management commitment to product safety and regulatory compliance. Hazard and risk management system. The standard requires a risk-based hazard analysis system similar to HACCP principles. Key steps include hazard identification. Potential hazards include chemical contamination, physical contamination, migration risks, packaging material defects. Risk assessment. Each hazard is evaluated based on severity, probability. Risk control measures. Appropriate control measures are implemented to prevent contamination or product failure. These may include supplier control, process controls, environmental monitoring, quality inspections. Mandatory procedures. What are those? Organizations implementing BRCGS Global Standard for Packaging Materials Issue 7 must establish several documented procedures, including document control procedure, ensures that documents are approved, updated, and properly maintained. Internal audit procedure defines the internal audit schedule and evaluation process. Corrective and preventive action procedure ensures that non-conformities are investigated and resolved. Non-conforming product control defines how defective or unsafe packaging materials are identified and controlled. Supplier approval procedure ensures suppliers meet safety and quality requirements. Traceability procedure ensures raw materials and finished packaging can be traced throughout the supply chain. Product recall procedure ensures effective withdrawal of defective packaging products from the market. Site standards and facility requirements. BRC Packaging Issue 7 requires strict site hygiene and infrastructure controls. Important programs include cleaning and sanitation procedures, pest control program, maintenance program, waste management, Glass and brittle plastic control. Facilities must also implement zoning and hygiene risk management to prevent contamination. Product and process control. Process control ensures that packaging materials meet safety and quality requirements. This includes this includes incoming raw material inspection, process monitoring, product testing, label and artwork verification, packaging material specifications. Records must be maintained to demonstrate consistent product quality. Personnel requirements. Personnel must be trained in product safety, hygiene practices, and operational procedures. Key requirements include training programs, hygiene rules, protective clothing, visitor control. Training records must be maintained as evidence during audits. Internal audit checklist. An internal audit checklist should cover all clauses of the BRC packaging standard, including management commitment, hazard and risk management, documentation system, site hygiene and infrastructure, process control, personal hygiene and training. Internal audits should be conducted at least once per year to verify compliance and identify improvement opportunities. Certification and consultancy support. Companies seeking certification can work with certification bodies such as SGS, Bureau Veritas, Intertech, TV Suite. Professional consultancy support can help organizations conduct gap analysis, develop documentation, train employees, implement procedures, conduct internal audits, prepare for certification audits. At last, in summary, successful implementation of BRCGS standard, global standard for packaging materials, issue 7 requires a structured documentation system, effective risk management, supplier control, and strong operational procedures. With proper implementation, organizations can improve product safety, operational efficiency, and global market acceptance. This training session is presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. For BRC, ISO, HACCP, and certification consultancy services, email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on ISO standards, certification, documentation, and professional consultancy guidance. Thank you.